A journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step, and for automobiles, that step was taken in the late 19th century. In the year 1886, the world witnessed a marvel of engineering, a contraption that would change the course of human history, the birth of the first true automobile. Karl Benz, a German engineer, was the mastermind behind this invention. His creation, affectionately known as the Motorwagen, was a three-wheeled vehicle powered by an internal combustion engine. It was a simple concept, yet it was the spark that ignited the flame of the automobile revolution. The Motorwagen, though rudimentary by today's standards, was a technical marvel for its time. It was a symbol of human ingenuity and the potential of technological advancements. However, the true impact of the automobile was yet to be realized. Fast forward to the early 20th century and enter Henry Ford. A man with a vision to make automobiles accessible to every American. Ford's introduction of the Model T in 1908 was a game-changer. It was the first automobile to be mass-produced on an assembly line, a revolutionary concept that drastically reduced production costs, making the Model T affordable for the average American. The Model T was more than just a car. It was a symbol of freedom and independence. It transformed the way people lived, worked, and traveled. Cities expanded, economies flourished, and the world became a smaller place. The automobile industry, once a fledgling enterprise, was now a significant player in the global economy. But the Model T was just the beginning. With each passing decade, new innovations and advancements continued to reshape the automobile industry. From the introduction of safety features and fuel efficiency to the advent of electric and autonomous vehicles, the journey of the automobile has been one of constant evolution. By the early 20th century, the automobile industry was gearing up for an era of innovation and growth. And as we delve deeper into this journey, we'll discover how the automobile has transformed from a luxury item for the elite to an essential part of everyday life for millions of people around the world. As we moved into the mid-20th century, the automobile industry entered what many consider its golden age. The post-war boom of the 1950s and 1960s saw a significant expansion and transformation in the industry. Cars became more than just a means of transport. They became a symbol of freedom, status, and the American dream. During this period, the industry experienced a surge of innovation and creativity. Manufacturers began to pay attention to the aesthetics of their vehicles, creating sleek and stylish designs that would become iconic classics. Car culture was born and flourished, with car shows, drag races, and road trips becoming a significant part of the American lifestyle. The introduction of safety features was another hallmark of this era. Seatbelts, although initially met with resistance, gradually became standard. The introduction of disc brakes, anti-lock braking systems, and radial tires also contributed to the safety of vehicles. Meanwhile, the market saw the rise of sports cars and luxury vehicles. Names like Corvette, Mustang, and Cadillac became synonymous with speed, power, and elegance. These vehicles were not just about getting from point A to B, they were about the thrill of the drive, the roar of the engine, and the luxury of the ride. However, the golden age was not without its trials. The oil crisis of the 1970s hit the industry hard. As fuel prices skyrocketed, gas-guzzling vehicles fell out of favor. This crisis forced manufacturers to rethink their designs, leading to the development of more fuel-efficient and compact cars. While the golden age was a time of growth and prosperity, the industry was about to face new challenges and opportunities. The looming energy crisis and the increasing environmental concerns would push the industry towards innovation and transformation. But that's a story for another time. For now, let's bask in the glow of the golden age of autos, a time when the open road was a symbol of freedom, and cars were a testament to human ingenuity and creativity. From the 80s to now, the automobile industry has seen unprecedented technological advancements. It started with the introduction of computerized systems in cars. These systems, known as electronic control units or ECUs, revolutionized the way we drive. They took over tasks like fuel injection, ignition timing, and automatic braking, making cars safer, more efficient, and easier to handle. From digital dashboards to GPS navigation, technology began to shape our driving experience in ways we could only have imagined. The late 90s and the turn of the millennium saw another significant shift with the advent of electric and hybrid vehicles. Environmental concerns were beginning to influence the industry's direction. The iconic Toyota Prius, launched globally in 2000, was a game changer. It combined a gasoline engine with an electric motor, setting the stage for a new era of hybrid vehicles. Then, fully electric cars began to make their mark. Tesla, led by the visionary Elon Musk, launched the Roadster in 2008. It was the first highway-legal electric vehicle to use lithium-ion battery cells, and it could reach 60 miles per hour in less than 4 seconds. Now we're on the cusp of another revolution, with the shift towards autonomous driving technology. Cars are being equipped with cutting-edge AI and machine learning systems, capable of making split-second decisions. Companies like Waymo and Uber are investing heavily in self-driving technology, envisioning a future where cars can navigate city streets and highways without human intervention. It's clear that environmental considerations continue to have a significant impact on the industry. Governments around the world are setting aggressive carbon reduction targets, driving automakers to innovate. Electric vehicles are becoming more affordable and common, and the infrastructure to support them, such as charging stations, is expanding rapidly. As we look to the future, the industry continues to evolve, driven by technology and sustainability. The automobile industry's journey from the 80s to the present day is a testament to human ingenuity and our ability to adapt and innovate in the face of new challenges and opportunities. We can't wait to see where the road takes us next. The automobile industry has come a long way from the simple, horseless carriages of the 19th century. We've journeyed through the birth of the automobile, a time when inventors and pioneers were racing to create a machine that could replace the horse and cart. Then, we moved into the Golden Age, a time of opulence and beauty where cars became more than a means of transportation. They became a symbol of status and power, a testament to human ingenuity and creativity. Next, we explored the modern era, a time of rapid technological advancement and innovation. Cars began to evolve, becoming smarter, safer, and more efficient. And finally, we looked beyond into the future of the automobile industry, a future filled with possibilities from autonomous vehicles to electric power, all aimed at creating a more sustainable and connected world. As we continue to innovate and adapt, one thing is certain: the journey of the automobile is far from over.